In this function, we're going to take a look at continuity of a piecewise function. We've got this piecewise function. We have to find the values for c that will make it continuous. So the easiest way to do this is to take your constraints of this piecewise function. It says x is less than or equal to 2, x is greater than 2. So for x, plug 2 in to both of these. All right, then set these two quantities equal to each other and solve for c. It's a pretty straightforward, easy approach to do this. All right, so when I take 2, plug it in for x, then I'm going to have a 2c plus a 3. I'm going to set that equal to whatever I get when I plug 2 into the bottom. When I plug 2 in for x here, 2 squared is 4, so I'm going to have a 4c plus 1. All right, at this point, we're just going to go ahead and solve for c, so I'll subtract 2 from both sides of the equation. We're going to have a 2c plus 1. Go ahead and subtract 1 from both sides of the equation. We'll have 2 equal to 2c, so then c is equal to 1. So a pretty straightforward algebra process there to finding a value for c that makes the piecewise function continuous. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.